Hello, today we have visited Maukla village and one farmer, his name is Orsan Nongrum. He is doing very good dairy farming. Altogether he is having 40 numbers of dairy cattle. So he is the proud farmer. Already he got so many awards from the state government. So these are the one glimpses of this dairy unit. So many good dairy cow he is having. We'll have just a walk around. He kept all these dairy cow in one line, and up to that portion. Also, he kept one big bull in the last corner. That is the bull. This is his dairy farm. And all calves born he kept in other side. These are the line of calves.